Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and just a quick one today. The weather, as you can see, is changed and it's dull. It's been trying to sleet and snow today. A lot of the times in this sort of weather, I want to talk about the 4 important things you need for driving a vehicle. And a lot of the learners tend to not know about these things. We have to show them and help them and constantly remind them if they are needed. So you could look into trying to understand what these things might be. So when you have rain and bad weather, the things in your vehicle, the first most important thing would be the windscreen wipers. Depending on the make and model of the vehicle, most of the European cars have it on the right hand side with a stalk on the steering column, which is like the indicator, but it's on the right hand side with a wiper symbol on it. And normally they would click upwards for intermediate speed or auto wipers, depending on the make and model. And pushing forward would be the rear wiper. Also, if you pull up the stem towards yourself, it would wash the screen at the front, and if you pushed it forward, it would wash the back screen, depending on the make and model. So this is an important thing for rainy weather, sleety weather. The other main thing is the heater window demisters, and often these are found in the central console where the car heater is. The rear, they have screen pictures on them. The rear heater screen would be the one at the below the switch at the bottom, and once you engage it, it would light up. And just directly above it would be the front one, which plays off a heater fan noise as well, so it's also a heater. And these are important because your windows will mist up in the dampy weather, steam up, and you wouldn't be able to see. So these two are the main things. And then you have your headlights or driver lights. And a lot of the new cars now come with LED driver lamps because the weather's dull, and it's like a safety feature. So also you can add the lights on. So on most of these vehicles, the light switches are on the dashboard on the right corner with a right clockwise switch to turn on the dim and dipped headlight. Or if it has an auto setting, the lights will come on themselves. So these are the key things you need, and they're also important for your driving test. As you would know now, in driving tests they ask you to either wash the front screen or open and close the window or put a rear demister on while you are actually driving the vehicle. So these auxiliary controls of a vehicle are important for you to learn and understand. And as time goes along, as you get confident to apply and use these switches while you're driving on a nice long easy road where you can do it in your stride, there's no pressure. Often learners tend to forget about it, and the instructor's doing it most of the time, and then they don't seem to remember it. So this is important for your driving test. So that's all folks for this video. If you like that, hit the like, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching.